Deepika, grade 8 Seagull from Siddhartha High School. Now I am going to say you some information about Hartaharam. Telangana government has taken initiative to plant more and more trees, and this was named as Hartaharam, and this was made on 2015. So in 2015 to now we are continuously planting trees on Hartaharam on account of Hartaharam. So the main aim of this program was to plant more and more trees and to conserve forest areas. By this program, we are conserving most of the forest areas. By this program, many forests are also built. One of the forests was Narsapur Urban Forest. In this program, the plants were planted in the open areas, side of the roads, and in schools, in offices, nearby offices, etc. So this program decreased the pollution of our earth, and it also increased the rainfall. Now I am also going to plant trees. I hope all will plant trees on account of Hartaharam. So you can see here I am going to plant tree. So here I have a container which is filled with mud. Now I am going to plant this tree. So you can see here I have a plant which is called as jasmine, which is a species of jasmine. Now I am going to plant this plant. So I planted this plant. Now I am going to water this plant. I hope all will do this plantation. Thanks.
Hello friends, I'm Hamsini from 8C2. In these days, because of corona, we are at home only, and some people are dying because of this, because there is less oxygen. There are less plants, so there is less oxygen, and we are destroying the plants because of our sake, for building buildings and for furnitures. So if we cut any plant, we have to plant another plant, so there will be more plants and there will be much oxygen, and so many lives will be saved. So we have to plant more trees, and our Telangana government has started a program called Haritaharam, and this day is the 7th phase of Haritaharam, and this program has been started on 2015, and this program's aim is 230 crores of saplings, to plant 230 crores of saplings. And not only Haritaharam, there is another program called Mukkoti Vrikshakshanam, and this program's aim is to plant 3 crores of saplings. And this program has been started on the birthday of KTR, and I'm happy to say that today is 7th phase of Haritaharam, and Haritaharam program has been started because of only the sake of plants, and our Telangana government has strictly decided that there should be a plant in some areas, and all total the areas. And this Mukkoti Vana Mahotsavam, this program has been started because there should be more plants, and this program's aim is this program challenge to India that to make our India greenery, and if there are more plants we can plant. If we plant more trees, there will be more oxygen, and if we plant trees, there will be rainfall. Because of rainfall, there are so many water sources. So if there are more water sources, there will be much helpful. Not only rainfall, there will be much useful for us because of trees, and we have to plant more trees. In our birthday, we buy any gifts or something, and we ask our parents. But if we ask any plant to our parents, then there will be more plants, and there will be fresh air to us, and there will be much trees, and we have to plant more trees. We have to plant more trees, then we can save our life. Thank you.
Good morning, Manandal. I am Geeta Sundara from grade 8. Today I am here to plant a tree on the occasion of Haritaharam. Before planting a tree, I want to give more information about Haritaharam. The Haritaharam means the grassland of India. This program was began in the 2015 with the 2,330 crores of plantation of trees. This program was launched by our Chief Minister Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao Garu in the year of 2015. The Telangana government introduced this program for the plantation of trees and increase the more trees in our society. The main aim of this plantation of trees is our Telangana government wants to increase the 24% to 33% of trees. As a social citizen, I am going to plant a tree and I want to make my earth greenery. So now let's plant a tree. So now I am here planting a aloe vera tree. So now let's pour some water. So planting trees is compulsory. As a social citizen, as a student, now we have to plant more trees and we have to make our earth greenery. So you will also do surely, I think so. Thank you.
Hello and all, this is Manaswini from grade 8. So today I am here to plant a plant of aloe vera on the occasion of Haritaharam. So now I am planting the aloe vera plant. Planting the plant is our minimum responsibility, and also keeping our environment clean and green is our most responsibility.